This video was sponsored by Nest Studios. Elevate your sound. If you're looking for a studio that is reasonably priced to record your music, podcasts, etc., then you cannot go wrong with Nest Studios. Contact the number down below or the email address or visit their website for more details. Thank you. Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to pair the INSTA360 to the pair of AfterShokz headphones, such as these. First thing we need to do is switch on the camera. Switch on the camera. I just switched it off there a minute ago. Then we go scroll down. Then we touch the little icon button here for AirPods. And it's searching for the air. It's not searching yet till we press that button. So next we go to the AfterShokz headset and press the button here. And now the AfterShokz are in pairing mode, as you can see, after pressing that button. And now we're going to press here. And there it is, it's found it. Just to show you on the screen. There it is, it's found it. Aeropex by AfterShokz. Then we click that button there. And now it's paired. It is now paired because now we got that little symbol here of the AirPods with a little green circle with a tick in it. There is a little tick in there. It's hard to see on camera, but there is a little tick in there. So now that is paired. Now we put the AfterShokz on and go out of this. And it also says connected there. And then we come out. I'm gonna have to take the cover off. Then we click that. And there, as you can see, it's hard to actually see, so I try and bring it as close to the camera as possible, but it is really hard to see. There is a little symbol. I know it is actually hard. What I'll do is I'll put something black in front. And as you can see, it's now connected because you can see the little symbol.